In this video we're going to look at how to set up a group for one of our clients. And basically a group is a mailing list that can be specific for a particular client. So to do that we go to the group section and click on manage groups. On the right hand side you'll see the actions drop down box, click on add group. Now the first field is for your reference only, and for this particular demonstration I've created a fictitious plumber called JC Plumbing. So this is the title or the group name I'm going to use for this particular client. Now we have a keyword, and your client is going to be adding their customer's name and cell phone number to a web form, so they will not see the keyword. So I'm going to put JC Plumbing web form. The group type is join. We do have three types. We have a property and vehicle. These are for real estate agents, but for gathering reviews we're going to use the join. We're going to leave the birthday SMS wish switched off, and we are going to then enter a message. Now we only have a certain amount of characters for the first message because there is a mandatory appended message that must go on the end of the first message that is sent out to a customer. So you'll see we only have 107 characters. When you add this onto the 107, you would end up with 165, which is the maximum you can have for a text message. So I'm going to come up and copy this text message, and this is giving the business name at the beginning of the text so the customer knows where this text is coming from. Now in this example a plumber would have already done a job for a customer, maybe installed a new bathroom suite or fixed a faucet. So once the plumber has finished the job, then they would then gather the name and cell phone number of their customer and add those via the web form into our system. Then this text message will be sent out right away to that customer, and basically what they're going to do, they're going to ask for a review. So I put the business name at the beginning, JC Plumbing, and then what did you think about our service ? Tap here to leave review, and then you are going to add the short URL for the review form you are going to create, which I will show you in one of the next following videos. So that will then go out to the customer, and the customer will then be asked to leave a review on one of the most popular review sites. There are some characters that are not allowed in text messages, so a basic full stop, question mark and commas are okay, but please do not add in any special characters, or the text message may not be sent. If you are doing some lead generation for a client, so let's say for example you rent websites out and you wanted to use an individual number for a client or for your website rental service, then you might want to send the new customer's details to your client. And to do that you tick this box and then add the cell phone number to this field down here. Now you must always add the country code to this field. So for the United States it will be 1, for the UK it will be 44. But for this purpose I'm going to leave that switched off and click on save. I now have a new group set up for JC Plumbing, and then I will later on I will create a review form and an SMS form for my client, and then that JC Plumbing will then add their customer details to the web form to send out that first request for a review.